In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a project or a file in VirtualBox. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Okay, let's get into it. I was downloading Windows files here and they were aborted, and I'd like to go ahead and delete these files. To do so, it is quite simple. Just head over to the aborted project or the files that you want to uninstall, and then right click on it and select the option remove. Then go ahead and click on delete all files, and immediately the files will be removed, and now your VirtualBox will be clean. So that's how you can delete any files or remove any files from your VirtualBox machine. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.